Shireen Mehrunnisa Mazari is a Pakistani politician who served as the Federal Minister for Human Rights from 20 August 2018 to 10 April 2022. She is the chairperson of the Parliamentary Committee on Appointment of Chief Election Commissioner and members of the Election Commission of Pakistan. She has been a member of the National Assembly of Pakistan since August 2018 and serves as a chief whip for Pakistan Muslim League, and previously, she was a member of the National Assembly from June 2013 to May 2018. Mazari studied at the London School of Economics and later received her PhD from Columbia University in political science. Mazari joined Quaid-i-Azam University as an associate professor and went on to head the university's Strategic Studies department. In 2002, Mazari became the head of the government-funded Institute of Strategic Studies and remained until she was sacked in 2008. In 2009, Mazari became the editor of The Nation. Mazari, an ethnic Baloch, is a graduate of the London School of Economics. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.